Welcome to the edge of Dartmoor. It's Dan from Torr Overland, and today I am joined by Justin, co-owner of Brookwells and Mike Harding and Bobby Tracy. He's taken me for a spin around the local lanes in their competition Trayback Defender. Used by the team at Brookwells to compete in local events down here in the southwest, Justin's even given it a special coat of Devon paint for us. Watch as Justin walks me around the Trayback, showing me all the mods, and a little further on in the video, there's even some footage of us driving some of the green lanes in the local area. Hey Justin.
Hi Dan.
How's it going?
Very good, thank you. Very good.
No, cool. Well, thanks for taking the time out today.
That's all right, pleasure.
And you've got the Brookwells Trayback.
We have.
Yeah.
The old trusty Trayback.
So tell me more. How long have you had the Trayback?
So we've had it about 5 years. I think we bought it just before COVID. It had already been Traybacked.
Okay.
By Rob Hurrell actually at Evolutionary 4x4.
Oh, okay. I know Rob. Yeah.
Yep, down near Kingsbridge.
Yeah.
So he'd built it for a farmer down there.
Yeah.
Who just wanted it as a bit of a play toy, and it didn't ever really get used until we bought it, and then, ta-da! She's been used a lot since.
Yeah, she looks it at the moment.
Yeah, she's had a bit of action this weekend.
Yeah.
So we turned it into what we wanted it to be. We've fitted obviously a lot of terra firma products that we sell anyway through Brookwells.
So where would some of those be?
We've got terra firma 4-way adjustable shock absorbers all around.
Yeah.
We've got the different mountings as well for the extra long shock absorbers. So these would normally be an eye at the top. So we've now changed them to pin for more articulation.
Yeah.
It's got different trailing arms on it as well, cranked trailing arms. Spring-wise, it's actually got softer springs than normal. Rather than going for the normal +2 heavy duties, we've gone for a nice supple soft spring to give, again, more articulation. It sort of goes against what most people do, but it works, especially for trialling, that this gets used for a lot.
Yeah.
So the 110 springs on the back, and then I think it's actually got Range Rover Classic springs on the front, which are about the softest springs you can buy.
Yeah.
It's got Pioneer brake lines all around now as well, built by Pioneer for us. The truck went up there for a little while, and they made all of those for us all the way through, because we were struggling a little bit catching brake lines on tree stumps and sticks.
Okay, yeah.
And stuff. So now it's got stainless steel.
And they've routed those slightly differently.
Slightly differently,
Yeah.
And obviously with them being soft, they're less likely to get snagged up on things because they'll actually bend around. We've got terra firma front arms on as well, and the terra firma return to centre steering damper.
Yeah.
Which is quite a nice addition. We've also got winches front and rear, and the tubular winch bumper.
So with the terra firma stuff, so your Brookwells and now more recently Mike Harding as well.
Yeah, we bought Mike Harding Land Rovers at the beginning of last year.
Yeah.
So I spend a lot of my time in the workshop now, running that on a day-to-day basis, and so I don't get to use this as much as I used to.
Yeah, we've just had a little poodle on some of the lanes.
Yeah,
which has been good,
it's
isn't
great
it?
fun. Yeah, no, it's a super capable truck, and engine-wise, like very standard. Still an old 200 TDI.
Yeah.
We haven't really done much to it. I think we added a boost pin a few years ago just to give it a little bit more oomph.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's very standard. It's super reliable. Like, it can sit there for a month.
Yeah.
And it just starts. It just goes. It just loves life. I think TDIs are like that.
Yeah, they just go, don't they?
They're excited when you start them. They're like, yeah, come on, let's do it. So she's good. Heavy duty drive flanges front and rear.
Yeah, I was going to say with some of the drivetrain. So yeah, those have been beefed up.
Yeah. So they're less likely to spit the splines on the half shafts and on the drive flanges then.
Yeah.
With the heavy duty aluminium ones.
And what are the wheels?
The wheels are just a pretty basic silver modular wheel. They're nice
Yeah.
and strong. It did used to have 35-inch tyres on it, which looked really cool, but for what it was used for, weren't terribly practical.
Yeah.
And so we swapped over to the Insa Turbo special tracks, which are a bit of a rip-off of the old Cymex tyres, but give you plenty of grip everywhere.
Yeah.
So
And what would be the competitions that you take them on? Are those sort of local to where we are in Devon?
So yeah,
and
so we
Southwest?
do some trialling with Cornwall and Devon.
Yeah.
Land Rover Club there.
It's a nice muddy patina.
Yeah,
That's
and
good.
we do some winch challenges with Cornish Leaf and Coil.
Yeah.
Again, all obviously Devon and Cornwall based.
Yeah, yeah.
We don't really venture any further than that, but we're blessed.
Well, it's not really a motorway cruiser, is it?
Not really,
And
as
then
you've
could
just
sort of
witnessed.
trailer it up somewhere, but yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, she's not built for motorways. So all fairly local stuff. Aaron and Ali, who run our Plymouth branch, they do most of the trialing in it. Again, I haven't done any for a few years now, but so they do most of that, and the vehicle does really well. Picked up a few scars, but nothing too serious.
No, nothing too serious.
No.
Yeah.
Like I say, it's actually a fairly simple build.
I mean, what about things like this outer roll cage here? Have you fitted
No,
this,
so
or was this
I think
Rob's work before?
I think this was Rob's work actually. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think Rob did the roll cage back in the day, and it's held up really well, and obviously really protects the roof and everything, and it goes right down to the chassis.
Have you managed to roll it? Do you know, or are you?
I haven't.
No.
Aaron did put it on its side.
Yeah.
Aaron, watching you. So yeah, he did put it on its side, but it actually didn't really do any damage because it was quite a soft roll, just to.
That's good. So he did it properly.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
He knows how to roll.
Yeah,
Good on
exactly.
you, Aaron.
Yeah. So yeah, she sees plenty of action.
And what's up here on the roof? Is that a light bar?
So yeah, so we've got a 50-inch LED light bar on, so that if we do ever want to go out and do some night laning or whatever, then we can actually see where we're going, because as we all know, the standard lights are like candles.
Yeah.
And we've also got a couple of lights on the rear of the cab as well. Again, some Osram LEDs either side.
Well, I guess they're going to be quite handy if you're trialing this over winter as well.
Yeah,
it does
definitely.
get quite dark.
Yeah, 100%. So that was a nice addition that we added within the last sort of year or so.
That's a little jerry can.
Yeah, there's a little jerry can there for spare fuel, just in case.
Yeah.
I don't think we've ever had to use it, because being a TDI, it just uses no fuel.
Yeah.
It's crazy. You can go out all day and it just uses like a quarter
Just
of a tank.
sips it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been in some bigger Euro trips in sort of older 200 TDIs and things, and they're surprisingly economic.
Yeah, definitely.
They're really quite
good. They just sup it. So yeah, rear end. I mean, obviously, other than the Trayback, it's got a winch tray in the back as well for the rear winch. It is actually a 110.
Okay. Yeah.
Which surprises people.
Yeah, I guess because it's just had the back chopped off, hasn't it?
Yeah. So it is a 110. 90 Traybacks look a bit strange.
A bit too squat.
Yeah, a bit too short. So the 110 actually suits it really well. And obviously for tight turns, it's not great.
Yeah.
But, actually for general tracking over off-road, it is better than a 90, I would say. Because it just seems to track over everything a lot nicer.
Yeah.
The ARB diff cover is a little bit misleading.
Okay.
Everybody assumes that there's a locker in there. There actually isn't. It is just a heavy duty diff cover.
Yeah. Well, it looks pretty. So
it does look incredibly pretty. Yeah, which is the main thing. It's got some Devon 4x4 lamp mounts there as well.
Yeah.
I think the original design actually was based on the old Devon 4x4 winch truck.
Okay, yeah.
They had one quite a few years ago,
Do you do anything with those guys? Because obviously, well, Devon in the name, they're Devon as well.
Yeah, I mean, we've got a relationship. You know, we'll buy things off of each other if we need to. And I actually worked for Devon 4x4 for 6 months or so, or a year. You know, many years ago. But it was a little bit too much of a commute for me. But no, it's a brilliant company. The Liz and Simon who own it are great, and they make some really nice products.
Good stuff.
So yeah, good guys.
Might have a little nosy inside.
Sure, let me. Yeah. So inside is actually quite nice.
This does look. This is surprisingly tidy.
Yeah, it's. I think it's got an acoustic matting system in there.
Yeah.
And I put in the extra seat in the middle so that I could take my boys green laning in it.
Yeah.
So that just makes it a bit more usable. But it's quite a nice place to be in there, really. No bucket seats or anything.
No harnesses. No, it's very comfy.
Yeah. I mean, comfy's relative.
Right, yeah.
But yeah, no, it's all right. I think it actually started life as a fuel bowser. This is what I've heard.
Okay.
So it would have been a turbo diesel engine, pre 200 TDI. It's changed to a 200 at some point in its life, but it was actually, I believe, used as a fuel bowser on an RAF base or something. So and then the poor old girl
has now been turned into
this
trialing weapon.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Have you got any future plans with it beyond just Tacoba? I mean, what other mods could you do, or might interest you?
I think we're there or thereabouts, really.
Yeah.
I think it'll always be a bit of an evolution of things that do to it. You know, we do to it. If new products come on that we think might be good for it, then no doubt we'll fit them. But as a truck, it does its job really well. Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
So, yeah.
No, cool. Well, Justin, thank you so much for showing me around.
My pleasure. Absolutely. It's nice to share it.
Oh, and also, what a spot we're in as well.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Sort of your homeland of Dartmoor. As I pan around, it's pretty epic.
We're blessed with where we live, that's for sure.
We are.
And especially on a day like this. There's a nice little network of lanes just around this area. And they're just getting into scratchy season now, you know. It's fine in this, but...
Oh, but Justin, you're not worried about the paintwork, are you?
Not on this one, no, but you might be on yours.
No, to be fair, I'm not on the disco.
That's good. I don't think you can be if you're going to do
Well,
any
no, you
laning
can't.
around
I mean, you're fighting a losing battle, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, one little thing which I did, which has worked quite well, is just spraying the arches and wing mirror trim with some Raptor paint.
Oh, yeah.
Now, that was just a DIY spray can jobby, but it's worked pretty well.
Yeah. I haven't actually gone into low, I probably should.
Nice little rock steps.
Yeah, this one really closes in now, doesn't it? We had a couple of the Exeter Chiefs women's players come down for our open day a few weeks ago.
Okay,
and they'd never ever been like off-road at all. So I brought them up, we came up this lane.
Yeah.
And they couldn't believe it. They were like, oh my God, how, surely nothing should be allowed to drive up here, sort of thing.
It's like, it's just easy peasy though, isn't it?
Well, yeah, it makes it feel easy. Yeah, no,
there's something really nice about seeing people experience it. Isn't
yeah,
it, for
that's
the first
right.
time?
Yeah, definitely.
That's good. I don't think...
that one's quite nice. That just goes along. It's quite flat.
Yeah.
And just comes out on the road. But this one's quite entertaining. It's a bugger to get up on a bike when it's wet.
Yeah.
Because it's quite rocky at the bottom.
This is the most fun stuff really, when it's a little more technical.
Yeah.
Isn't it, picking a line?
Yeah, I enjoy this sort of stuff. Yeah, I love this. This lane's pretty cool.
It's a really nice one.
Yeah.
See, it's like, yeah, this is where, I mean, I'd help myself if I took the rooftop tent off.
Yeah, I mean, you'd probably be all right.
Yeah.
Just about, I reckon.
Yeah, I would.
It doesn't close in any more than this, really.
Also bring some of the pruning.
Yeah, bring some shears with you.
And stuff. It's all good.
I was watching that four-wheel drive 24/7 Camel Trophy redo that they're doing at the moment. Have you seen that?
Oh, the disco.
Yeah, with the disco, yeah, in Tasmania. And my God, that is gnarly. The stuff they're doing out there.
Oh, the stuff they do is just crazy.
Yeah,
isn't it? A completely different ball game.
They've got just so much more of it as well, haven't they? You know, they're blessed with that.
Yeah. Yeah, here we have Wales, which is the best. I mean, we're pretty lucky in Devon.
We're really lucky. I think I joined the TRF, the Trail Riders Fellowship, not so long ago. Not because I needed to know where the lanes are particularly, but it's quite a nice thing to support, and they look after a lot of the lanes and stuff.
Thanks again to Justin for joining me. I really enjoyed this little trip out on the Trayback. The team at Brookwell do an amazing job of supporting the Land Rover scene down here in the southwest, something I'm really proud to be part of myself. If you enjoy this type of thing, please remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, ahoy!